Okay, good morning. Yesterday we got all the cabinets put up, got some lighting fixtures put in, the pendulum lights, all of this set up yesterday. Feel like we're getting somewhere. We couldn't stand it. We had to put our table and rugs in here, which is probably a mistake because they'll get all dirty. So today what I'm doing is the front of this peninsula that sticks out here. It's got to have some kind of face on it. When we were tearing stuff apart in this house, this front porch had beadboard ceiling, and that is now going to be cathedral ceiling. When we're done, we're going to take that old beadboard that was up there and make a front for that cabinet. So this porch also has beadboard, but the other porch was kind of in bad shape, was in a lot worse shape. Down to the basement here, we've got this old beadboard here. They came off the porch. It's in pieces. Some of it is good shape yet. So I'm gonna saw some of that up and put a coat of poly on that old paint, and we're gonna use that for a front on that peninsula. Save some of the old, save a little bit of money, and put some character in, and we'll let you guys watch. Okay, so I've got some of them cut. I just cleaned them off with a brush, and I'm not working very hard here at it. I just brushed it off, and I'm gonna put some water-based poly on here to seal it all up, and so that it can be cleaned easier when we're done. Pretty simple deal, and we're kind of saving some of the old stuff. I just wanted you to see what I was doing here. I don't like just putting the raw wood on there. For one thing, it's hard to clean. I just put a little coat of water-based poly on it to seal it up. There you have that. I think it's kind of neat looking. It's a little bit of a nod to the old part of the house. It saved money, and it really didn't take all that much time just to cut them and brush them off, poly them. I think it's kind of a neat look. It's a different color than the rest of everything, so it kind of highlights that peninsula a little bit. I like it. On to the next project.